Hey, Morgan. Alright. So I'm going to get a few things done before everybody jumps on here. So, welcome everyone. I'm Carol from Chalk Creations. If you're catching this on the replay, welcome also. Put hashtag replay in the comments so that I know that you stopped by to watch. If you are interested in becoming a designer like myself, put hashtag team in the comments and I will get you the information for the opportunity group. It's just a really short video that tells you all about the company. If you're interested in joining Chalk Couture, put hashtag club in the comments and I can send you the link. Don't forget, join the VIP group. You can put VIP, hashtag VIP in the comments and I'll send you that link also. April is a awesome month to join Chalk Couture. There is so much free stuff when you join. Hey Sandra, glad you made it on. We're just going to give it a few minutes and see who else tops on. When you get on, say hello so I know that you're here and I can welcome you. Looks like we have a few people. We're just going to do a really quick little project tonight. So I hope you guys like it. I'm excited for it. Says we have 6 people on. Oh, there's Valerie. Hey, Miss Valerie. Yes, Morgan, that is right. You are correct. I'm here. I know. I'm so excited. Yay! Valerie. So like I said, we're just going to do a really quick little project tonight. I'm going to use this little board, which we've used before. It is not a Chalk Couture board. I just picked it up at the local store. But I really like it. It's open in the back. And you can stand it. So I like that a lot. I'm doing good, Valerie. How are you? Seems like I've just seen you. So how was everybody's day? Hopefully it was good. Put these gloves on because we're going to do a little staining tonight. Thanks to Jeff Fafa who had some stain that I could use. Don't forget to say hello when you jump on so I know you're here. You guys are quiet again tonight. All right. I'm just going to do a little staining. I want to bring out the grain in this wood a little bit. So I'm not going to use a lot. I'm just going to kind of put it on here and wipe it off. Hopefully this will work out. It won't be too dark. I don't need much. Hopefully it'll turn out okay. I don't need it too awfully dark. I probably should have did a practice piece. If it ends up too dark, we'll just use a different color that I had planned. But hopefully it'll be fine. I'm going to do the sides also, but yes, Valerie. Basically, I'm just putting that stain on and wiping it off because I don't want it too awfully dark, just enough to bring the grain out. What do you think? I think it's good. And we'll do the sides too, because the sides will be seen, so we want to make sure, you know, that we get everything covered. Because if you put it in your house and people see it sitting, they're gonna, you know, they're gonna be like, what happened to the sides? How come you didn't do the sides? So we wanna make sure we get those too. So I'm just putting the stain on and wiping it off. And we'll work our way around here. I don't know where everybody is tonight. I was hoping to have a few more people on, but I don't know. I don't know where everybody is. That's okay. We know they can't be out and about, right? Hey, girlie, how are you? I'm glad you made it on. How's your mom? Yes, Morgan, I know. You're here. Valerie's here. We are all good. But no Sierra. Where is Sis? I mean, my normal group is not here tonight. So, guys, I have a couple little challenges for you. Really, it's only one. It's only one challenge. But I know you guys are going to help me out because I have the best people out there. So here's my challenge for you guys. I want you to, I don't know what popped up here. Let me see. Sorry, guys. You hear my computer? My computer's being super weird over here. Let's see. Somebody's asking if I'm live, so I have to answer them because maybe they don't know where I am, right? So, let's make sure they know where I am. I don't want them to get lost, right? We don't need them to get lost. We want them to come on over. You guys have to make sure that you put your notifications on so that you know when I'm on. I think that's why a lot of people are missing me. It's because they don't have their notifications on. So I just have to teach them. Just have to teach them to where to go. So let me see if I can find her. Sorry, guys. Just a second. Talks among yourself over there. Yes, Valerie, I'm giving you some homework. I'm giving you some homework. Okay? I promise it's not hard homework. Okay? It is not hard homework. I know you can do it. So, oh, Morgan, you're so awesome. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, she couldn't figure out where I was. So, thanks, Morgan. Thanks for the help. All right. No. All right. One more little thing. I swear I'm coming back to you guys. I promise. All right. Okay. So, here's your homework. And I know you can do it. So, your challenge is look at your Facebook page. And on your Facebook page, in your friends, I want you to recommend this page to 5 of your friends that you think would be interested in joining us. I know you've got 5 friends. You know? Hey, Patty. 5 friends. That's all I'm asking. If each one of you refer 5 friends, then we'll have more people that will be joining in. And out of those 5 people, there might be a couple that will be like, oh my gosh, that's awesome. Thank you so much for inviting me. I love it. Because out of that, I'm challenging myself. Here's my challenge for me. By the end of the month, and we're already 3 days into the month, by the end of the month, I would like to have 10 brand new Club Couture members. 10 people to sign up for Club Couture. That's my first challenge. My second challenge is I would like to have 1 new designer under me by the end of the month. So, I know I can do it, but I can't do it without you guys. So I need you guys to help me because we've discussed it before. My friend list is only so big. But your friend list and my friend list makes a big friend list. And there'll be somebody. I know there will be. So if you guys can do that, that would be awesome. Because then that's going to help me out. And then I can help everybody else out. So that'll be awesome. That's my challenge. So my challenge for you is to send or recommend my page to 5 people. And then my goal is to have 10 new customers for our Club Couture, which is our monthly subscription. It's only $19.99 a month, plus your taxes. It's free shipping. It comes straight to your door, and it comes with your transfer, your 3 paste packets for you to design that month's project. So, and then you get free shipping, and there are so many perks to Club Couture. Like for this month, they're giving them, I think it's like 50% off of some of their surfaces. So It does not come with a squeegee, so you would have to purchase a squeegee for it. It only comes with your transfer and your 3 coordinating chalk paste. But it is so worth that $19.99. Like I said, it comes straight to your door. It is taken out of your checking account on the 5th of each month. So this month's is awesome. I am so excited. I got it in the mail today, and we're going to do it tonight. And so that's why I got this, because it's going to fit perfectly on here. Like I said, I am so excited about this transfer. I like farm style, and I like vintage. I like vintage, and this is a vintage look. Lisa, honey, you're not going to get the singles because you're a designer. Your transfer only it's just your transfer. So because you are a designer and you signed up under someone else, all you get is your transfer. Your Chalk Couture members, they get the transfer and the 3 chalk pastes that go along with it. So, just so you know, if you didn't know that, honey, I am sorry. Whoever your upline is should have told you that. So, all right, guys. Well, I'm going to show you, and I gave you a sneak peek of it last night, and I got home today, and it was in my mailbox, and I was super excited. I even asked Donna, did you check the mail? And she's like, yeah, I checked the mail. And I'm like, so? She's like, oh, it's up there. I was like, okay. So I came up and I went through it, and I knew the envelope. I knew what it was. Because as soon as you see the envelope, it says on there exactly what it is. So I was like, oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to do this tonight. I'm going to show everybody what our new transfer is for this month. So guys, I'm just going to blow dry this stain just a little bit, because I don't think, it doesn't feel wet, but just in case. So let me do that. Watch, everything's going to fly all over the place. But that's okay. So Lisa, how are you doing today? Thanks for coming on and joining me. So guys, if you remember, it was this color, was this really, really light color, and then we stained it, and now it's this. And I think it brings the wood grain out really good. So it's got that nice little vintage kind of look to it. So let me show you. Am I still on, guys? Am I still on? I hope so. Let me know. Because my computer over here says I'm not. So let me know. Ah, awesome. Okay. So this is our new transfer for the month. It's the Typewriter, and I love it. I think it is so cute. It reminds me of my Morgan. She always liked to collect vintage typewriters. She has quite a few of these. So when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, she would love this. Love, love, love it. And it smells good. A new transfer always smells good. You know, Val, it's kind of like opening a book. It's got that nice smell to it. Yes, Morgan, you have four of them. So we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna do a very quick little thing here. It's not gonna keep you guys on too long. It is Friday night, so Remember, it always has these marks where you can cut it. Remember that on the back of your transfer, it always tells you what to do. Okay, so if you can never remember, I know I tell you guys all the time, it tells you how to prep and peel. It tells you to fuzz. It tells you to apply. It tells you how to remove it. And it tells you how to clean it and then how to store it. Always keep your bags, okay? One, it's great because when you can put your transfers in there and they're not going to get dirty and they'll slip in a drawer. I have mine hanging, but you know, you could find like a folder or something and put them in so they'll stay nice and clean. All right, guys? Any questions so far? What else do we have to do? Yes, Morgan. I know. We're all quarantined. So because you're all quarantined, crafting is where it's at. Come on, guys. You know, this is so easy. And it is also very relaxing. So, we're under not enough pressure and stress these days. Crafting is a way to take our mind off of it, you know? So I'm just cutting the little lines here. I'm not going to use this full transfer. Let's see, maybe I'll cut it this way first. I'm not going to use this whole transfer. I'm just going to use part of it because my board is not big enough to put all these words on it. But that doesn't mean that we can't use these words on a different project or a bigger board. I just got a small board. Like I told you last night, I need to order some surfaces. And now, since some of the surfaces are like low price, I'll be ordering soon. All right, my fuzzing cloth. It's always behind me. Always behind me. So we're going to fuzz this. I hear Donna coming in the door. When y'all hear that little creaky little door and y'all think it's a ghost, no, my house isn't haunted. It's just Donna. She went for a golf cart ride. So, with Rhonda. Rhonda said, want to go for a golf cart ride? And she was like, sure. You need to order some surfaces, Lisa? Yeah, me too. When we got the update for the April, I was like, gotta do it. All right, remember I always tell you guys, one, you need to write on the back of it. So you know the back, where the backer is. You don't want to put your transfer on this side of it because it probably won't come off. So that's why we always want to mark it. So I'm just going to put a 1 and a 1. And then we'll put a 2 on this one. And a 3. And a 4. Because there's 4 little pieces here. All right. Easy peasy, right? All right, so remember you always want to roll, and if for some odd reason it doesn't roll when you try it, just keep turning it because eventually it's going to grab and it's going to roll off. So we want to roll it off. We'll set that aside, and then we want to fuzz it. And it's really sticky, guys. I mean, it is super sticky, okay? So that's why we want to fuzz it. Who else is excited about this little typewriter? I think it's so cute. Super cute. I know my Morgan is. So the thing with Club Couture, if you sign up for Club Couture this month, you won't get this transfer. You will actually not be charged until next month for next month's transfer. But you can have this as an add-on. When you go to Chalk Couture and you sign up, it will ask you if you would like to add on this month's transfer. And that's how you would get this one. So, and then you would be charged for this. So, think about that. If you want this in your little collection, then you might want to do that. I'm just trying to make sure I get this on, because this is like literally just going to fit on this board. So I want to make sure I get it as centered as possible, which sometimes isn't always the easiest thing, but I want to make sure that, yeah, it still looks a little crooked to me, so we're just going to move it over just a hair. I'm going to look at it and make sure. I mean, it looks straight, but that doesn't mean anything to me. So let me hold it up and look. When I stand it up, what does it look like? It might work. I think it's going to work. All right. So you want to rub it and try to make sure that there are no air bubbles in it. Air bubbles are not your friend. Because what will happen is it will leak underneath and leave a little puddle of ink underneath there. And we don't want that. I feel like I have something on me, guys. I don't know. So every place that there is, that you can actually see the typewriter through is what we're going to ink. Okay? And there's a lot of surface here to have to ink to, or, excuse me, we're not going to ink. We're going to paste. We're going to use the chalk paste. But I could see this on a t-shirt. That would be so cute on a t-shirt. You know? Would be super cute on a t-shirt, right, Morgan? Yeah. I could see this on a really cool t-shirt. All right, so we're gonna mix our chalk paste, and I'm using black because I think it'll be really pretty on here, as you know, the old typewriters were black. Although Morgan has a turquoise one, which is really pretty. She has a gray one. So I'll never forget the first year she got her very first typewriter. She wasn't, gosh, Morgan, how old were you? Like 12, 13? Maybe? All she wanted was a typewriter. I think my child was born in the wrong century. Wrong generation altogether. Because she likes those vintage things, which is kind of cool. And she, computers, she had, but she wanted a typewriter. She wanted to actually have a typewriter that she could type on. And, oh, you were your junior year of high school. Yeah. And she just kept saying, Mom, I want a typewriter. And I was like, what do you want a typewriter for? You have a computer, you know? And she's like, I want a typewriter. So she ended up, for Christmas, getting a typewriter. And she cried so hard. Like, she just, you would have thought we had given her $1 million. It's all she wanted, and she loved it. And she's collected a few of them throughout the years. Like, she's got one that's super heavy. Gosh, Morgan, is it the one that I got for you? And I didn't think, we didn't pay hardly anything for it. You know, the ribbons aren't the greatest, but she loved them. She didn't care. She didn't care if it was light or if it actually showed up. So remember, we're just going to load our squeegee, and I'm using the small squeegee, not the mini, and we're just going to put this on here. I'm just going to kind of daub some up here. And then I'm going to pull it down. I want to make sure I get it all on the transfer and pressing and pulling, dragging that ink through the transfer and being very firm with it. I want to make sure it's getting into all the crevices. Okay? And just remember, it only takes a little bit, but if you feel like you need a little bit more so that you can move fairly quickly with it without it drying and coming back and then scraping it off, please do it, okay? Don't feel like, you're wasting it, because the thing is you're not. You are going to pull everything back up off of it and put it back into your jar, okay? So I'm just going to go over this really quickly, and then we're going to pull this up. Looks like I missed one little spot there. All right. And then we're going to pull it up. It's time to reveal. Wow. This is great. I'm really excited about this. Oh yeah, Morgan, you got the Underwood for Christmas a few years later. And then from the antique shop, yep. So what do you guys think? Isn't it beautiful? I love it. I absolutely love it. I think it turned out really, really good. So we're going to dry it. Thanks, Morgan. We're going to dry it. That's good. I think it's good. It looks really, really cool. I really like it. So now we can do one of two things. We can take a note, or take note, excuse me, not take there's no A there. Take note, or we can just do hi. Which one do you like? Do you like take note or hi? Because it's going to go right in this little section right here. So we can either put take note or hi. Which one do you think? Morgan says take note. All right, I know some of you other ones out there have an opinion. Patty's like, take note. There you go, take note. Okay, perfect. I guess we'll do take note. Well, that was easy. All right, once again, we're just going to roll it off. We're going to fuzz it. So guys, remember the challenge. Your challenge is, who remembers? What is your challenge? I know somebody out there remembers. So your challenge is 5 people. You need to help me out by introducing 5 people to this page. It's not hard. Look at your list. I know you've got somebody out there that would be like, that you can see enjoying this. Because then my challenge for me is 10 new Chalk Couture members to get the monthly subscription each month. And then my other challenge for myself is to have one new designer by the end of the month. I can't do it without you guys. I just need your help. Oh, so cute. I am so excited about this. What do you think? I think it looks good. Valerie, you can just send them the link. Or you can just send them like a little message, you know, and say, hey, check out this website. I think you would be interested in it. I think you would like it. I know, this is so cool. It's going to look so cute. Can you see this on like a desk or a shelf? Morgan, this would be super cute on your shelf next to your other typewriters. Right? I think that would be adorable. I'm in love with it. I think it turned out exactly the way I wanted it. So I have these little beads. So, true, Morgan, you're right. You can also invite people by liking the page as well, yes. It's so stinking cute. So stinking cute. But I thought about just adding these just right here to the side. Just a little embellishment. What do you think? Kind of just adds a little bit to it. Do we like that? Or without it? With it? Or without it? Patty says she likes it just the way it is. Patty, this would be an awesome thing for you to do. I think you would have fun with it. Oh, a little burlap bow. We could do that. Val's like, no beads. Let's see. Maybe a little bow. Maybe. Let's see. Like the little, let's see what I have. Like a little gray one. That might look cute. Like a little gray one. This is like a little gray one. Hey, Marissa. Welcome. How are you? You going crazy yet with your children being home? What about this one, Morgan? What do you think? We could do the jute. Do you think we should do the little burlap bow or the jute? I could do jute. Help me out, guys. So Marissa, this is what we just made. Is this the cutest little typewriter ever? Isn't that adorable? This is our new transfer of the month. It's an exclusive transfer just for Chalk Couture members. So, and I just got it today, and I think it is adorable. Very vintage. So, did we decide on you like the ribbon? How about if I make both of them and then you guys decide on which one you like? Instead of playing around and trying to figure out what we want. So, I got it around the corner at the store. Rhonda, you know what store I'm talking about. You know, the one around the corner. Everybody knows it. My favorite store I go to all the time. I can't help myself. You know, there's not but a few stores around that we could actually go to, so I don't have time to go to Charlottesville. That one, yeah, that's the ticket. All right. Okay, guys. I swear it's not going to take that long to make this bow, I promise. Alright. And then you guys can tell me if you like it or not. Hey Donna, how are you? Want to come and say hello to everybody?
No.
Oh, please. It's just our friends.
Who is it?
It's Rhonda.
Rhonda's on that. She didn't text me. You didn't text me, Rhonda.
Rhonda, you did not text her.
Let me know when she got home in her golf cart.
Well, Rhonda got home and Morgan's on here. You didn't say hello to Morgan. And Valerie's on here. You didn't say hello to
Hey, Morgan and Valerie. I didn't know you were done or not.
I'm not done yet. But that's okay. You're fine. You're fine. What do you think?
Ooh.
Isn't that... Donna's just seeing it. Oh, look, they're all telling. Patty said hello.
Who?
Patty. From across the street.
Oh, hey, Patty.
Donna's like, I didn't know that you were still alive. Duh, if my door is closed, I'm still alive. I'm alive, and I'm alive here, too.
Okay.
What do you think?
It's really cute.
It turned out good. Yeah, thanks. I think so. Love you. Okay. Silly, silly Donna. You know? Like, what did she really think I was doing in here? If my door is shut, then I'm in here doing a live. I know, Morgan. Her hair does look good, doesn't it? That's what I told her. Her hair looked really good. Even Valerie told her that tonight. So, all right. She knows now, Rhonda. She knows you're home now. All right. Let's see. My, making a bow is not always the easiest, but I'm just trying to get it so it's a little fluffy since I've, it's a wired ribbon that I'm using. So you have to make it kind of perk up once you have it made, or it just looks flat, right? All right. So what do you guys think of this little bow? Let me move it around a little bit so it kind of looks like a bow here. You know, somewhat like a bow. Anyway. All right. I'm going to stop fooling with it because it'll just be driving me insane. All right. So, we can put it over here. Can you see that? So we could stick it over here in this little corner. or we can stick it over in this little corner over here. So what do you think? Yes? No? I do it at the top, you can't see it. I could do it up here. I guess I'm a plain Jane. Oh, you like it without. I think the corner opposite of the shirt. Like over here, Morgan. Like that. On that side, on this side. Morgan, Valerie. I can make the tail shorter. I can definitely make the tail shorter. Do you think maybe on this, I'm looking at these pieces here, so I'm wondering if this one would be better and make the tail shorter. Yeah. But which corner do you like? This side, Morgan? This side here. Okay. I get so confused. I guess if that's not the side she likes, she'll let me know. And then we can cut the tails. Yeah, I hadn't cut these at all. And then we'll just put a little dab of hot glue. And you know what I always tell you about hot glue, right? Hot glue is hot. It is hot. Hot glue is hot. I'm gonna give it a little ducktail. You know, hopefully. Probably should not be cutting it with my good scissors here. That did not work out very well. Let me turn it. It's not a good angle. Not a good angle that I had. Still not a good angle. I don't like that. Of course, now my bow's going to come off. Such is life, right? Let's try cutting these first. That's much better. I don't need a very long little tail. All right. Let's try putting the glue on this and not on here. All right. And we'll hold it for a second. You making fun of me, Morgan? I'm not perfect. I told you. I'm just not perfect. I just do my thing and keep on going, you know? That's all I can do. Sometimes it works out for me. Sometimes it doesn't. But I think all in all, this turned out really, really cute. Let me get my bow a little fluffed here. And we'll see what you guys think. Our very simple little What do you think? I think it's cute. I think it turned out really, really cute. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're excited about the new transfer for April. Like I said, if you're interested in joining Club Couture, just go to my Chalk site, and at the top it says Club Couture, and then you just fill out the paperwork on there. It's $19.99 a month with free shipping. You pay taxes on it, but it's always free shipping. It never costs you shipping at all. Actually, right now, Club Couture members, we have a flat rate for them forever. And so once you become a Chalk Couture member, one of our preferred customers, anything you order from my site, your flat rate fee is $4.95 a month. And it doesn't matter how much it weighs, it's always going to be $4.95 a month. Excuse me, I always say a month. Why do I say that? Because I'm always hoping you're going to order monthly. I'm not going to lie. But anytime you order, your flat rate fee is $4.95 for every order that you do. And my regular customers, if you're not a Chalk Couture customer and you just want to go to my Chalk site and order, your flat rate fee is $6.95. So it doesn't matter how many surfaces you buy or how many chalk paste or transfers, whatever the weight is, it's always going to be $6.95. We have some surfaces that we have reduced, so check those out. I'll put those in the comments, or maybe just on my page, so you guys can see which ones are on have been lowered. If you're interested in becoming part of the team, put #team. I'd love to have you as one of my my teammates to join Chalk Couture. It's $99 plus your taxes. But at the end of your first debut phase, they're going to give you your $99 back. So it's like starting this company with $99 and the company giving you it back, rewarding you back that $99. And as a designer, we get a 40% commission, which is great. And for every order, we get 25% commission. So there's a way to make money here. If you're looking to make a little extra money on the side and have some fun with it, come on and join my team. I'll help you along. Also, don't forget, #VIP, so I can get you in the VIP group. We'd love to have you over there. What else? What else is there to say? Remember your challenge. 5 people. Recommend this page to them. Help me out. Help me grow my business. Because I'm challenging myself too this month. So we're going to work together. I'm looking for 10 new Chalk Couture members to join that $99 a month. And I'm looking for 1 new designer to become part of my team. So by the end of the month, that's my challenge. So keep my fingers crossed, and with some help from you guys, I think I can do it. I'm almost positive I can do this. So, guys, if there's anything else I could do, please let me know. I'm here for you guys. Go to the site, look at all the new stuff. I think we're going to have maybe a little mini catalog that's going to be coming out soon, I think. So I hope you guys have a good evening and enjoy the rest of it. And I guess I'll be chalking and talking with you tomorrow. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.